All right.
Of course it's fish.
I got it.
Eat it alive, do you?
I was honestly thought I was going to
Are you really gonna eat the cricket? Are you really gonna eat it?
Looks like he's about to.
bacon and cheese.
Bro, this is so disgusting.
I think the eyes out.
Is Gabby looking? Oh, Gabby.
Oh yeah, you're eating one too.
I gotta video this.
Oh. Oh my god, it feels evil.
You eat yours first. No, I want to get you.
Let Nolan go first.
Alright, no, let's do it next time.
Oh, I know. Let him go first so I can get them both.
Gabby goes away.
Bro, let Nolan go first.
1, 2, 3.
Going, you go first.
You can't even.
Let Nolan go first. 2, 3.
Did you drop it?
Lost it.
Don't waste cricket.
You had to do it on 3.
Alright, I'll do it. Oh, this one's got a tail.
Come on.
Why are you taking the tail off?
Come
That'd
on.
be the best part.
Yeah.
The wings.
No.
Come on, stop that technique.
No. 1,
1,
2, 3. I'm going back for second.
Did you taste the bacon?
Have flavor.
No.
No, I'm
It
disappointed.
tastes like
Cricket.
it tastes like a pretzel
I can't smell it.
or like a wood.
Are they real?
That's what she said.
Nutritional value?
That doesn't make any sense.
Like, are they real or is it just like fake?
Did it taste good?
Are you serious?
Crunchy.
Oh.
Stop playing.
Tell him to.
Stop playing. Oh no. Let me see. Okay, running on.
I feel like a weird bug today. Like a weird bug.